Sri Ganeshaya Namaha.
9th Standard, Maths 2, page 112, sum number 3. If sin theta is equal to 4 upon phi, then find cos theta. If sin theta is equal to 4 upon phi, find cos theta. One method is you can use the formula. We have sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Therefore, value of sin theta is 4 upon phi. So 4 upon phi square plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Therefore, cos square theta is equal to 1 minus 4 upon phi bracket square. This is equal to 1 minus 16 upon 25. This is equal to 9 upon 25. Therefore, cos theta is equal to 3 upon 5, taking square roots of both sides. Another method would be, we may draw the figure and do this. So here we may draw a right angle triangle in which one of the angles is theta. And it is given that sin theta is equal to 4 upon phi. Sin means opposite side upon hypotenuse. So if the ratio of the opposite side and hypotenuse is 4:5, we can take same multiples of 4 and 5. So opposite side is 4k and hypotenuse is 5k. Now using Pythagoras theorem, we can find the third side, that will come out to be 3k. And now we want cos theta. So cos theta is equal to adjacent side upon hypotenuse, that is 3k upon 5k, that is equal to 3 upon 5. We get same answer using any methods.